Hello everybody, my name is John Salazar, and in this case in Technology in Teaching English as a Foreign Language course. In this case I should record a video with some things that are so useful for us, and they are using in the technology, in this case in a computer. To begin, I want to tell you about the first tip, that is Ctrl plus F. For example, when you are in a PDF document, you press Ctrl plus F and appear this space. Then you write a word, for example, video, and this is going to show you how many in this space. It shows you how many times there are the words in the text. For example, this is the first one, yeah, and for you to navigate between the words, you should press enter, and you're going to navigate between words, and this way you can get all the information faster. Okay, and the tip that I will show you is very useful too, because in this case you can share two documents in the same script, or divide the screen into documents. For do that, you should click on the top in the window and then drag it to where you want. Can be to the left side or to the right side. Okay, look at it. If you can see in the left side I have a PowerPoint presentation, and in the right side I have a PDF document, in this case an activity guide. So that way we have divided the screen, or two documents in the same screen. In the next tips, I'm going to teach you how to navigate between different windows that you have open by pressing Alt plus Tab. This is absolutely a tip that can help you if you need to change the window fastly. In this way you keep press Alt plus Tab, and you use Tab to change between the different windows. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. And when you are in the page that you want, you release Alt, and automatically you are in this page. For example, I'm going to the activity guide. Free Alt, and automatically you are in this window. For next one, you press Alt plus Tab. Ready. Again. Ready. Again. Ready. So this way it is fastly. You can looking for a different windows. Okay guys, in the next tips you are going to learn how to close a program that don't want do it, and is pressing the bottom Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. In this moment appear this window, and you go to choose Task Administrator. You wait a second, and then appear this little window, and you select the program that you want to close. For example, in this case, PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, and then click on in Finish Tasks. Ready? You can watch the PowerPoint presentation is closed automatically. Okay, you and me know that there are a lot of these that you can use in the technology, but for me finish this video or this record, I'm going to teach you how to run your computer without using the button for that. And is pressing, you must press the button Alt plus F4. Automatically appear this window. Then you should press the button Enter. But I don't to press Enter because you don't my computer to run automatically. I need to finish this video. Then okay, that's all for today. Thanks a lot and blessings. Bye.